Hi, welcome back to Happy Babby. In this video, I am going to show you some activities my Babby played when she was between the age 12 to 15 months. Without further ado, let's get started. We did lots of fine motor skills activities and eye-hand coordination. Fine motor is the ability to make smaller actions such as writing, picking up objects between the thumb and finger, using spoons and tablewares, playing musical instruments, and many more that involves our wrists, hands, fingers, feet and toes. And these are some of the activities we played. I started giving her a crayon when she turned 1 year old to practice holding it and doodling on the paper. Other activities we did also were to put objects into a big plastic container and then dump them out. We also always take some time to play outdoors whenever the weather permits. We love to go to parks and practice walking and running. Being outside feels good and gives toddlers a chance to explore freely, move about, shout and make noise, something that can be restricted indoors. Outside, I allow her to pick up leaves, stones, flowers, tree branches, and take some of them home for collection. She also loves to step on puddles, listen to the sound of the birds, or the sound of our surrounding. Next is music and movement. Moving is important for infants and children as it stimulates the development of the brain in many ways. She likes chasing and finding games. She likes to be chased around the house or chase me. Dancing is also part of our daily activities. She loves to dance to the tune of her Flappy the Elephant plush singing toy. It is said that playing music leads to an improved understanding of rhythm and speech, and also strengthens babies' and children's cognitive and sensory development. So we listen to music every day and dance along with the songs. At age 14 months, she touches her head and attempts to touch her toes whenever she hears the song Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes. Moving is important for infants and children as it stimulates the development of the brain in many ways. I also allow her to ride her car toy so she could learn how to balance herself while getting on and off. She also likes to push her car. From the car, I also allow her to push a small case and stool and other things. At around 13 to 14 months, we have also started activities that involve practical life experiences, such as wiping up spills on the floor or dirt on her high chair, showing her how to peel carrots and letting her try to peel it, asking her to pack away her toys, brushing teeth, allowing her to choose the socks, footies, and onesies she'd like to wear, putting her dirty clothes in the wash. And that's it! These are some of the activities that me and my Babby did between 12 to 15 months old. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried any of these, or if you recommend any other activities. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!